You know, we've shown you the inside of the body with the Dream Tree picture. Now we're going to show you the outside of the body and how we can affect the water, because you absorb a lot of water through the body, through the skin, through your feet in a shower every day. This is the Dream Tree shower head. Now this has filters that run through the shower head. As you attach this in to a hose from your shower, okay, this water's going to run up through here. There's a filter in here. So let me show you real fast here. One of these filters is in there. This is a vitamin C filter that filters out chlorine, and I'm going to show you a demonstration of that in just a minute. Now it comes in 3 different scents. You've got eucalyptus, you have citrus, and you have lavender. Okay, but I want you to notice the unique design here. If I can get a zoom in on this, I can show you the triangles. These are little triangles on this shower head. They're very small, and it gives me 20 to 30% savings on my water bill because the water is so finely cut. This will cut the water into 1,000 pieces. And what I'm doing here is creating negative ion. Negative ion is not too well understood in this country, but negative ions are like from the rainforest and from a waterfall. We have positive ion environment all around our body. And what we do in the shower with this shower is create a negative ion effect so that we counteract that positive ion, I guess you would call it a problem, because we want the negative ions, we just don't have a way to get them, except in the rainforest and different places like that, like a waterfall would give us. But what this is this cuts the water. There's 280,000 negative ions coming out of this shower head every cubic centimeter. So that's quite a few negative ions that will affect the body. If I had a graph with a heat sensor, I could show you how that works. Just don't have it right now in front of me. But this is a very good shower head. It's great for the body. The vitamin C coming through here is excellent. And I'm going to show you a little bit demonstration on what I mean by getting rid of the chlorine and giving you the right content for the body with the negative ion effect that the shower head does. This is Norman, Oklahoma tap water. Okay, all the tap water, in order to cut bacteria, has to have a little bit of chlorine in it, which is a federally mandated thing where I've got to have water with chlorine so that I don't have bacteria in the water. So we're going to see as this water kind of turns yellow here. We're going to give it a few seconds here. And as you can see, this water is beginning to turn a little bit of a tint of yellow. Therefore, it's showing me, these are chlorine drops for a pool. Okay, it'll show me that there's chlorine in the water, which is normal. That's supposed to be in the water, but not necessarily want to bathe in it. Okay, so I'm going to take this right here, but we all do, right? I mean, unless you have some kind of treatment or something. And then if you do have a treatment where you're filtering the water through, you still can't get vitamin C. But I'm going to show you what happens to the chlorine. I'm going to take just a little bit of this powder that these gels are made of, and I can show you right here in my hand. It's just a little speck. There's just a little bit of flake there. Okay? And I'm going to just sweep this off in here. And what's going to happen is this water swirls around. It swirls through there, and it comes out the shower head. What happens is this water swirls around the gel, and it turns the water into clean, pure water with vitamin C for the skin. So this is another result-driven technology demonstrated, because that's what Dream Tree is about, is to show you that the idea of products saying a certain thing or trying to state a certain thing without proof is no longer accepted in the marketplace. What we're trying to do is show you good water for the outside, good water for the inside, and we've shown you today 2 different demonstrations that were result-driven through technology to demonstrate the difference. And that's what we're about at Dream Tree.